Hey everybody! Today we're going to be doing partner monster drawings, or creature drawings. And one of the things you're going to need is a partner. It could be your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, whoever you want. First thing you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper into thirds. So you're going to fold the top down so that it reaches to about maybe a third of the way. Then once that first fold is done, you're going to open it back up. And then you're going to fold the bottom part up to the original line that you made. So now our paper, when we open it up, should be thirds, 3 equal sections. So we're going to start at the bottom here, and we're going to make some lines kind of in the middle. Now these lines that we make are going to be our waist line. So below will be the feet or the lower half of our monster, and above will be the body of our monster or creature. Then at the top we're going to do the same thing, only our lines are going to be closer together to indicate that this is going to be the neck of our monster. So this is the waist and this would be the neck. Then you're going to fold it so that each partner cannot see each piece. So you want to fold them in so you're only looking at one section at a time like this. Then you're going to draw starting from those guidelines. And you can just think of any kind of a creature that you can think of. For me, at the bottom here, I'm just going to make some like tentacles or something like that, but you could do feet, or it could be human or animal or alien or whatever you can think of. So I'm just drawing some tentacles, maybe like an octopus or something. And then when I'm done with this, I'm going to essentially just leave it. So I'm going to draw some little details here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this section or flip it over so that you cannot see what I just did. You don't want your partner to see, but they will know to start at those same lines that you started at. So then you hand it over to your partner, and your partner will draw something that they want to without seeing what you've drawn before. It'll make these monsters look really weird, like they have the body of one animal and the head of another. And so I'm having my daughter here, Kendall, she's going to make a monster. She's making sure to line up the lines at the top with the neck and the lines at the bottom at the waist. Just doing some wings there. And then when she's done again, she's going to turn it over so that you hide the other pieces. And then you could even use a third partner, or just do one person does 2 of them. And then you're going to start at the neck, and you're going to go up and you're going to draw the head of your creature or monster or whatever. So at the top here, I'm going to do like a furry little critter, maybe a chipmunk or something like that for the head. Then when it's all finished, you're able to take the project, open it up, and it makes a crazy little monster or creature. And it's always fun to be surprised and see what you make. So there it is. It's our chipmunk dragon octopus thing. And then you can spend the time, coloring it in. And here you have our finished product. Hope you guys have fun and come up with some wild and crazy creatures.